Hello everyone. Today is 1 October 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerav and today's our topic is IOC and DI. Firstly, we discuss the what is the DI. DI means the dependency injection. Why we use the firstly we discuss the what is the DI. If you in any time you can develop the any project, that time we create the multiple classes, and our main program are dependent with depends with another classes or another logic that and we can create the object of that class in our main logic and then use. This is called our program logic is depend upon another class. This is called as a DI. And if you create the class with the using the new keyword, that time tight coupling are occur. This is called tight coupling. And tight coupling is directly depend on that time type coupling are occur or logic is directly depend on another logic. In some time, if you want to change the your logic or uh, develop develop our logic or uh, develop our logic or and add the new technologies, that time you need to change the or all code. That's why we use the inversion of control, means the loose coupling. Let's discuss the one real time example. At in one scenario, at time at today's date, we can use the hibernate. We can use the hibernate to connect the database and server side, means the spring. uh, and we can use the hibernate. Firstly, at time the hibernate or previously the hibernate launched their version, and that time hibernate hibernate also hibernate are our logic or our method developed. At that time Java is directly depend on hibernate. At that scenario, Java at that time Java realized the Java to in 5 years later, hibernate today that hibernate is free, and in few years later hibernate are giving the charge. That time we need to pay to the hibernate. The and monopol hibernate are monopoly to avoid the this problem. Java developed the our API, means the structure of methods, and API is the interface and give to the hibernate, and hibernate are implement to the API. At that time Java is not directly depend on hibernate. Hibernate are depend on Java. In some year the hibernate are giving the charge, the Java directly switch the third party tool. And that's why we use the inversion of control. At that time we cannot directly create the object of a class using the new keyword. We can you can use the inversion of control, means the we we uh, we give the all classes to the annotation. uh, Annotation is a at the rate component or at the rate rest controller. Rest controller is a control the program, means the it is a main control of a program, and uh, component are only participate to the creating of object, and inversion of control are create the object and store the application context you, with the help of beam factory. And we can we can uh, we can only write the interface class. We can only declare the interface class, and um, at that declaration time you can also give the annotation to the this declaration is a auto auto wire, means the auto wire annotation is directly connecting to the application context container, and directly give the object at that time, means the directly inject the object to this place is called as a direct injection and IOC. That's all about the direct injection and inversion of control. Thank you.